So train should be here anytime, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Hey, thanks for taking me, man. Actually, I've never seen a train like this before.
Oh, you've never like seen a train?
I mean, like, I've seen a train, but like this, what we're doing here. Like they don't move anywhere else? Like they just use the tracks?
Yeah. It's on the tracks.
Trains are definitely not like cars. Cars don't use tracks.
Yeah. That's true. I've never seen a car use tracks.
I don't know why they don't. It sounds really efficient. Wait. What do spaceships do? How do they move?
I don't know, man. They're different.
I had heard there's this thing where you get coins, you get change, and you can put them on the tracks, and it'll flatten them and like turn them into like raw materials. Is that a thing?
Yeah, actually it is. You just put coins on the track, train runs by, flattens them out.
Well, do you have some change, or like perhaps
Actually,
like a hay penny, or like?
I think I have change.
Do you have
I
some
don't know if I have
change?
a hay penny.
I thought everyone was using these credit cards. Oh my gosh, that's awesome!
Oh, you better hurry though, dude. The train's coming. It's on its way.
What?
Put them on there fast. Go. Put them on the tracks really fast.
Wait here, loser! See you in the funny paper!
Just took my change. It was like 37 cents. Every time.
T-minus 90 seconds and counting. All systems are go.